There's currently a lot of news out there about evictions and paying rent during the pandemic, so we wanted to provide you with some useful information. It is important to know that there are no statewide moratoriums on evictions in Ohio. There's a patchwork of protections across the state that vary widely by county and court. Many organizations are advocating for the suspension of rent payments during the pandemic. But today, right now, you can still be evicted if you do not pay your rent. However, the responsibility for your lease goes both ways. Your landlord must continue to comply with their legal obligations, including all housing and safety codes, and make all repairs to keep your property in a fit and habitable condition. You have options if your dwelling isn't up to shape or needs repairs. If you need repairs, make your request in writing to the person or place where rent is normally paid. In writing doesn't have to mean a pen and paper. Email or texting is fine. It's just important that you have a record. If the repairs aren't made after a reasonable amount of time, or 30 days, whatever is shorter, that's where you have some room. You can generally deposit your rent with the clerk of courts. This is called rent escrow, and they will hang on to it until your landlord remedies the problems or the issue is resolved.